So this is Operation Officer Windfall. Had contact with a member of the Secret Service today, this morning early, and at the Walgreens pharmacy at Denny, and I couldn't get the medicine because, well, the copay was $109. They told me I should drink vigorously. I don't know why, but I figure if a member of the Secret Service told you to drink vigorously, I mean, drink a lot, you know, should do what they tell you to, because, you know, they're operating under the auspices of the White House. So I drank vigorously. I'm still drunk. I drank last drink about 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on February 17th, 2015. That's all I can say, except I'm totally fucking drunk. I don't like it. Alright, I'm gonna ask this question directly. Will John Brennan, Director of the Central Intelligence Agency, the DCI, please allow me not to be turned into an alcoholic again? That is to say, make it so that I'm not drinking. I don't want to drink. I hate drinking. Drinking is evil. It's against my religion. I mean, really, it's evil. I mean, you know, you say, well, because you work for the CIA, you have to drink. Well, I think it's awful. So anyway, that's all I can say. Except, next time I drink, I want the Central Intelligence Agency to give me a piece of paper authorizing me to I want the CIA to give me a piece of paper a piece of paper about understanding that I should not drink because I don't wish to drink. If I drink, I'm being coerced by the Central Intelligence Agency, which I don't want to do. How do I explain that? But you're God. Yeah, I'm God. You're the devil. You're God. You're the devil. How is it you're coerced to do anything? I don't know. It's a mystery. My wife knows. My wife is stellar. I saw her today. She was awesome. So anyway, that's all I can say, except I wish not to drink alcohol anymore, or anything that resembles alcohol, or anything that is purported to be alcohol. So help me God. Which is honor. Operation Officer Windfall.